Christmas. It was Christmas. We have a box with a sewing machine inside. Cause sewing machines are epic, guys. An X-Acto knife. And we have a dad behind the camera. And we're gonna open the box because, stop. I'm too small for this. Paper. Can I lift this or I can't? I think the safest bet is to destroy the box.
You need your dad's help?
I don't need my dad's help. Stop! It's not easy to open a box, okay? Hey, yo! Sewing machine check! Got a bag with a bunch of little pieces here. We've got some sort of mat. And we have the huge machine. Whoa! Boom. Sewing machine. Okay, so we have everything here. Preparación de la máquina y del hilo de la canilla. La fuente de... Okay, so these are instructions to kind of set it up. Quick start guide, there we go. Then we have a little paper here. Congratulations on purchasing your new Singer sewing machine. Before you start, please spend some time reading the safety instructions. Anyways. Warning to avoid danger. So much danger. Wait, is this a pedal? Right, because of the sewing machine you have a pedal and you can like... Okay, this is serious, guys. See figure 3? You're gonna go and kind of, it's a pedal. What's this? I think it's a sewing mat. Yo. Oh, it's like a, hold on, covering thing. For when I'm traveling the world with my sewing machine, you know, going to Italy, Venice, France, Paris. This little bag with a bunch of little things. Actually on the box, it says, ¿Qué hay dentro de la caja? And I want to know, ¿Qué hay dentro de la caja? 14 random things that I don't know what to do. Plastic bags are dangerous. We've got needles, piece of metal, thingamabob. Oh, I think these are spools. Yes, with the pedal and the fabric. Here you go, Ariana Grande. Here's your dress for the Met Gala. Oh, there you go, Billie Eilish. Yes, everybody, okay? So that concludes the little unboxing of the sewing machine. I'll probably make a video once I've, you know, figured it out and know how to use it. For now, that is all. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.